Hi, my name is Paweł, I'm from BIMobject Poland. In this video I will show you how to use newly published objects for Komandor company. These objects contain different types of partition and movable walls, which may be used in ArchiCAD and Revit. First of all, let's try to browse for these products on a portal. To do this, I will just type in the searching field the company name, and here we have the results. So far we have 5 types of objects available on the portal. Each Komandor solution has got its own product page. Here is one of the examples. It's a partition wall named Aurora. As usual, you will find here description, specification text, but also you can find some links to the manufacturer website, link to the technical description, installation instructions, link to the YouTube video describing the functionality of this wall, related information, and finally classification according to the different standards. If you press the download button, you are able to download ArchiCAD, AutoCAD and Revit files. Please remember that ArchiCAD needs to have both LCF library and also GSM file. I will use both softwares, ArchiCAD and Revit, so let me save all the versions of the files. But it's of course up to you which version you are using and you will choose. Let me close this window, switch back to the products. Here are another solutions which we developed for Komandor company. MAW110 is a movable wall. Here is product page where we will find all details. MAW48 has got similar functionality, but it's a glass version of movable wall. And we have also 2 types of TAW walls, which are the partition walls. For more information about Komandor brand, you can visit the brand page where you will find some information, description and contact details to the manufacturer. This is my example ArchiCAD project. I've already downloaded the objects and added them to ArchiCAD embedded library. Let's start with the functionalities available in the interface. First of all, you can change the size of the element and its type. It could be a wall, door with and without frame, and 3 types of sliding door. You can also choose between different rail types and also different number of the panels, which is automatically calculated and given according to the length of the wall. You can also select the glazing option, and for the door you can set its opening angle separately in 3 and 2D. There are 4 sizes of the door available in this object, which varies between 600 and 900 mm. If you select the wall, there are different ending types available in the menu and shown on the pictures. Of course, you can set up the ending type separately for both endings of the wall. Moreover, for some of the ending types, there are available different connection options, which may be also selected in the menu. Let's switch the wall back to the default setup without endings, ending of here and here. You can also select the finishing options using the internal material recommended by the manufacturer or the custom one, which means that you can use any material available in the ArchiCAD library. You can do it separately for glass, profiles and seals. In the next step, appearance, you can select the color and thicknesses of the lines in the 2D view. In the last step, you will find some useful links to the manufacturer website and BIMobject portal. Right now, when we met some basic functionalities, let's try to build something. I will place this wall in my project, and first of all I will select the endings. This one will be connecting to the wall, and the second one will be ending with a round column. Okay, here it is, and now I will drag it to the corner of my room and align it with the wall. The second wall will be slightly the same, but perpendicular to this one. So let me copy the previous one and rotate it by 90 degrees. Let's match the walls together, but of course I need to select the different endings. This upper one will be connected to the door, so I will select the 75 mm square column. And the first ending will be connected to the column, but without the column, because we already have it in the first wall. I will make another copy of this wall to build the new component. Let's place it here and change its setup to the door frameless unit. And I will set different width, for example 900 mm, and 3D opening angle to 90 degrees. I will also change the direction of the opening, so I need to rotate this and align with the wall column again. And to finish the division of this room, I will make a copy of the wall again and drag it close to the room wall. And of course change the endings again. First one would be the ending with the 75 mm column, and the second one connection to the wall. Right now I will align the endings of the partition wall, first one with the room wall and the second one with the column which is beside the door. And finally, when I switch to 3D view, I can see how this Aurora wall looks, and I also can adjust its height according to the height of the room. Let's add to this project another solution which we made for Komandor company. It will be moving wall MAW110. I already downloaded it and added to my embedded library, so I can easily put it into my project. First, let me go through the functionalities of this wall, so you can adjust the size of this wall, change the type of the lock sets, change if height is measured to bottom or top of the rail, select different rail types, and select different number of the hangers, single or double. And you can also select the amount of panels which is parked in one parking element. You can also easily change the materials. It could be custom from the ArchiCAD library or internal, which means that it's recommended by the manufacturer. And you can do it per wall or per panel. Per wall means that whole wall will change its color. Per panel means that you can select each panel and assign its material. You can show the wall in two positions, parked and unfolded. And we have also two parking types, parallel and perpendicular. Moreover, if you choose the perpendicular version, you can offset the parking position by the X and Y direction. You can do it manually here or drag the hotspots on the 2D plan. In the panel configuration tab, you are able to select the number of the panels. It varies between 3 and 6 for this particular wall because it is calculated automatically on the basis of its length. To show it better, I will switch this wall into the unfolded position and I will choose 5 panels per one parking module. Okay. Now let's go back to the panel configuration. You need to select the panel and then change its type. Click regenerate. Okay. You can select the glazing or without the glazing. You can change the opening direction of the door, and you can also flip the side of the door. In the next field, you can set up the finish of both panel and glazing. It could be internal one or custom one from the ArchiCAD palette. You can also set up the opening angle in 3D and 2D and select the door width between 800 and 1000 mm. In the next step, appearance, you are able to select the color of the lines and thickness of the lines in 2D view. And in the last one, you will find some useful links to Komandor website and to beamobject.com. Let's try to use this wall in our project, so I will place it in my project. I need to rotate it by 90 degrees. Okay, align the endings with the room walls, the first one and the second one. Okay, here it is. And I will open the options and change the number of panels to 7 maybe. Okay. To show the parking space, I need to change the appearance to projected with overhead. Okay. Right now we are able to see if parking position is in the right place. Okay, it's fine. And I will assign a color to my wall. So I will select it, open the options, choose the wall setup, change the selection type per wall, and I will select one of the colors, maybe this one. Confirm with OK. As you can see, the customization of these objects is very easy and you can do this within few minutes. Thanks for your attention and please visit beamobject.com. Bye!